And today is Tuesday and 29th of March, right? So
Yeah,
we have our BTC price up and our ETH price up as well. Last week at this time, BTC was like what, 40, 45 or something, 44, 45. Yeah, ETH was 2,900 something. So it's up by quite a fair bit. So for those who bought before that, you are earning some money. Yeah.
yeah,
So and this info is according to 0722 hours Singapore time. Yes, Mr. Richard.
yeah. Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, and everybody, a lot of people feel very excited because the price of crypto go up and it's hit 48,000 just a few hours ago, and now it's go a little bit down to 47,000, and expectation is will above 50,000 soon. And what the reason and what the factor when I see the news today, a lot of news and say that probably it may hit around above 50,000. Yeah, and some of the news, some of the article we also expect like that, and the boom we see the boom based on the charts, on the uh, based on some of the analysts, we also can expect that. And later we will go more detail about the trading view in the last video. And let's start with some of the news review, some articles, some hot news about what's happening in the crypto within the week. And let's start with the article of about the crypto jet electronic gold, Mr. Nicholas.
Yeah, so for quite some time, a lot of people, especially those big guys who are pretty famous, they'll debate whether Bitcoin is gold, digital gold or not. Can it be a can it be a reserve? Can it be this? Can it be that? So of course, sometimes they say yes, it is. Sometimes they say no, it's not. So they themselves are confusing themselves sometimes. Yeah, but if you look at it, the a little fact about gold is that many centuries ago, before human civilization started using coins and paper notes and whatever, they use gold, they use silver. And then way before that, of course, they use something more different. Yeah, but where after people discovered about gold, they decided that, oh, this gold has value, this gold is good to become money, so they use it as money. So of course, today you see Bitcoin being used as money in one way or another. Of course, it's not a widespread thing. Not the whole world is using Bitcoin to as money to transfer here and there, but yes, slowly gaining popularity. Yeah, over the last 10 years. So you look at how things are moving forward. You see governments are developing CBDC or central bank digital currencies. Uh, you see countries like El Salvador starting to use uh, Bitcoin as their legal tender. Yeah, so of course, you don't expect to see the whole world using Bitcoin as legal tender, because that would be a very very disastrous thing for the financial for the world finance world in general. Yeah, so of course some people from the Fed, they will downplay the crypto and CBDC. Oh no, CBDC doesn't. China's CBDC is not a threat to the dollar. But just not too long ago, you were worrying about China's CBDC, right? Yeah. So, the thing here is that the Bitcoin or cryptocurrency may not be widespread in use as as money or as currency in its function, but slowly people are accumulating Bitcoin as a reserve. They are they are looking at Bitcoin as electronic gold. Of course, when they say crypto, usually they will try to talk about crypto in general. But largely, when people start to talk about crypto, they are referring to Bitcoin. Yeah. So all this, we know that crypto, BTC, and all these are moving in the right direction, in a sense that amongst the people's demand. Yeah. So how much value they are looking at Bitcoin with, looking at 47,000 per Bitcoin. Yeah. And
Yeah.
of course, Bitcoin has its up and down, but there are analysts that says, oh, Bitcoin will reach 70,000. Yeah, we said that since last year. But there is a possibility that it can really hit to 70,000 this year. So let's buckle our belts. Yeah. Let's move on to our. You have anything to add? Otherwise, you can move on to the next one.
Yeah, we can go to the next slide about.
All right. So NFT. Samsung. Yeah.
Samsung.
So basically, this information is all about blockchain in crypto business and crypto in business. Yeah. So Samsung, everyone knows Samsung. They are the biggest guy in Korea. They are conglomerate. They are a chaebol. Yeah. So over there in the yellow, I put it there. South Korea's companies such as Samsung, LG, Shinhan. I never heard of this Shinhan card, because I think it's maybe their own people will know. Has started to implement their plans that include NFT technology. What are they doing? Yeah, I think we briefly touched this before, but let's go into it. The Samsung platform called NFT aggregation platform. It allows users to preview blockchain art, NFT basically, right from the TV. So imagine you're sitting on a couch. It's stressful to just look at the computer all day long. But if you just sit on a couch, you look at your big 70-inch. Not many people have 70-inch TV. Yeah, imagine you have a big 70-inch TV and you're looking at NFTs. Wow. Yeah, so these are the things that they want people to have, or they want people to get into. So of course, along with relevant information about the NFTs and metadata. Yeah, so Samsung says it planned to ship the Samsung's 2022 TV lineup. So this will be included in the latest TV sets that they have. Yeah. After Samsung, you realize that you probably read that LG also announced the same thing. LG, also from Korea. They're like, okay, Samsung is doing this. Now I'm going to do this too. So LG is also coming up with their NFT support for their TVs. Yeah. So what do you think, bro? Looking at NFT with your 70-inch TV. Yeah.
Yeah, with the NFT technology now, a lot of company in look example in the car industry. As I hear, there's some of the car company they also issue the NFT to send to their car user. So
Yeah.
so when they buy a car, they also can own the NFT for the collection, and they can sell the NFT for the collectors. Yeah, it's also one of the kind of service.
Yeah, I am imagining, since you are talking about cars and NFT in cars and things like that, all related to cars. Imagine now we have a huge market, or rather a huge production of electronic vehicles,
Yeah,
or electric vehicles all around the world right now. Yeah, you see Tesla sold about 50,000, at least 50,000 Tesla cars in China. Yeah,
yeah,
so it's a huge market. I think they sold in China, yeah,
yeah,
or Southeast or Asia in general. Yeah, so but even if it's in Asia in general, it's quite a big number. But in China alone, if they sell 50,000, the market is really huge. And then you see, imagine you are driving halfway and then so, oh, this NFT, yeah, so I'm going to set my car to autopilot and then I just meddle with the NFT on my screen while you're driving on your way to your meetings or whatever. And then uh, and then you have all this all settled before you even reach your meeting location. Yeah. So I think all these are getting more and more real each day.
Yeah.
And things that are thought to be just imagination or just a dream 20 years ago, they are reality today. Uh, uh, Big companies are making it into reality, especially that SpaceX has been doing a lot of things about space, going to space and things like that,
Yeah.
and they probably plan, or I think his good friend Richard Branson plan to have some space travel thing. Things like this 20 years ago is just a dream. It's just a, a small kid drawing on a blog and say, oh, we can fly to space very soon at a low price. But it's slowly becoming a reality. And I think there's a lot to do with how tech can improve, how much space tech can improve. Yeah. So I believe this blockchain and crypto dealing with getting into business world, I think it's a great thing. Yeah.
Yeah. Back to the NFT thing, I also received the news about the Mark Capitalist. He announced he will drop the NFT for the Malgus user. Uh, we all can receive. We all can know on from the 2010 to 2014, there's the hack to the Mount was one of the
Yeah.
last exchange on at that times, and now he he do the NFT drop for all of the user on the exchange. Yeah, uh, we all can remember at that time the exchange had been hacked 400,000 um, 400,000 BTC. It's got
Yeah,
around uh,
that's a lot
400.
of money.
Yeah,
At that
it's
time, it was like what? How much?
no. He lost around 850,000 BTC. At that time, it's around
Wow.
460 million, but now it's around 40 billion. At this time, yeah,
2011 BTC price was like
yeah.
what?
It's less
Less than
than
two hundred
one,
dollars.
less than 1,000. It's around
Less than
five.
$1.
Yeah, it's around 500, 4 to 500. Yeah, at that
It
time.
was about 4 to 500. I remember 2016 was a year that it slowly moved to $800.
Yeah,
Slowly increased to $800. Yeah.
yeah,
So before that is why you compare $400 to $40,000 today.
yeah.
That's
And
100 times.
he also do the airdrop for the NFT. Who want to receive the NFT can go to his website. Um, in in his twist, he also have the test. Had the let me go to the tester of him, and here this is his website, and you can do the to claim the Mount Gox NFT. Yeah, this is just the thing to and remember you don't need to send any crypto to the exchange to prevent any scam and something like that. Yeah, just get start here and just get the email and then just carry on with this. And then uh, we go to the next article is about yeah we
Right.
hear the biggest
Okay.
news.
South America, or rather Latin America, uh, Brazil. Brazil is basically beside at the South America. They are the largest country in terms of land area.
Yeah,
Very big land. Yeah. So of course they also have exchange. Yeah. So Coinbase, we all know who Coinbase is. Coinbase is they are very big.
yeah.
Yeah. So they
Yeah,
are in negotiation with Coinbase. I mean, Coinbase is in negotiation with this company called T.e.l.e.g.r.a.m, which is the company that controls this exchange. So Mercado, Bitcoin, reached 3.2 million customers in 2021, which is last year. So last year alone, just last year, they have 1.1 million added in terms of customer base. Yeah. So and they have a trading volume of 7.1 billion last year. So of course, these two TM, they say they plan to grow in Latin America through acquisition in various countries. Yeah, so these are the plans that probably attracted Coinbase, because if I'm Coinbase founder, I'll be like, okay, that's good. I want the whole of South America to be my customer. Yeah, yeah. So the fact that Coinbase is investing in this crypto exchange, it means that the whole of America, or rather slowly, we are just slowly getting onto the whole world kind of thing. Yeah, so it actually tells us that, you never, for me personally, I know there's an exchange in Brazil, but I didn't know that there's so many customers. Yeah. So of course, things like this probably are happening in Africa as well, but we'll research it into Africa next time. Yeah. So let's move on to our next one.
Oh, if we talk about the Coinbase, I also have a news about the
Yeah.
Coinbase. It's
Big bodyguard.
seek for bodyguard with a tactical driving skill and positive energy. This article comes from the clip, and it's a new LinkedIn posting from Coinbase as someone qualification not tactical found among the crypto professional. Yeah, not only in crypto professional, but also in the other. Uh, he can deal with some tactic under the pressure, with the boss. That means he the Coinbase seeking. That means the boss is seeking for the bodyguards in US, and this is his information of the open here. We can see here the job duty. We can see execution protection senior. Yeah. And it's this information to show us that to let us know that when the Coinbase go to Brazil, and want to expand, the boss, he also need to travel around the Latin America countries, and he also,
they're afraid of being robbed, is it?
of course, because with the large amount of crypto amount, his will be one of the people in the aim of so many people around, especially some of the boss and around can with him. That's why he also do the seeking the bodyguard during the trip to this. And then we go to the next article is about the UK.
Right. Regulations, right? So UK recently they reviewed plans, just plans only, plans for regulating for regulations in the coming week. So of course, coming week or weeks, yeah. So they are basically focusing on heavily on stable coins. And then, of course, their treasury department has discussed a lot of upcoming regulation packages with multiple crypto firms. And those includes Gemini, which is by the Winklevoss brothers. Yeah. So this Winklevoss brother, they issued stablecoin called Gemini Dollar. Yeah. So of course, here's a little fun fact. Tether, the world's largest stablecoin, now has a total circulation of 80 billion. And that's up from just 4 billion 2 years ago.
2 years ago.
So the amount of Tether has grown so much. Yeah.
can win a lot of can win 10 times.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, so any thoughts for this, bro?
Yeah. I think UK know that crypto will be all over the world, and UK will
Yeah,
need to issue some of the regulation about this. Also, the same UK and US. Also, a few minutes ago, I also received information about uh, US also have the regulation. He also need to apply the new tax reporting rule to the crypto. Yeah, we can hear the title is Biden eyes 5 billion in 2023 revenues from the new tax. It means that if you are the US citizen, you are trading crypto, yeah, you will be in the target and you need to pay for the tax because in the next year the price of crypto will go up because everyone will know the reason behind yes why the US dollar um, uh, is not a petrodollar anymore. Yeah,
yeah,
and
yeah.
yeah, and now let's go around this in brief. Those administrators said that uh, they they also can generate 11 billion in the tax over decades. Yeah, and let me go through about this. There's no, yeah, the best risk. Okay, and now I think this is one of the new tax reporting rule for the crypto, and people can need to some. That's why we see the Coinbase try to ship to the Brazil because they don't want the heavy tax on US. That's why they uh, that's why they offshore. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's one of the reason. And then let's go to the next
All
article.
right. So, just briefly on this, I don't have much information, but yeah. So, blockchain is evolving in Africa. So, in Nigeria alone, it has like what the highest rate of crypto adoption in Africa. Yeah. So, actually, Nigeria is quite a country with quite a fair bit of money. Yeah.
Yeah,
So, with 3 billion of transaction in June alone. Yeah, in June, 2021. Yeah, so of course, fiat to crypto transaction is being facilitated daily. Yeah, so sometimes in our side of the world, we probably never thought of crypto being a big thing in Africa, but they are there. You know, I think in Zambia or Namibia, they also have. Yeah, so I think Africa at large, they are pretty much involved in blockchain and crypto, which of course in the east side and the west side of the world, we probably don't really notice. Yeah, but they
yeah,
are silently moving there. Yeah, so of course, uh, whether their government will start to impose tax like the US or the UK and things like that, I think is still a question because Africa is considered still on the way to developing. Yeah,
yeah,
so a lot of infrastructure are still not there in terms of and I think the governments uh, probably, but not so soon when it comes to regulation for crypto and things like that. But uh, in compar in comparison to Western Eastern world, yeah, I think they will take some time. But 3 billion is still quite a large amount. You look at Brazil,
yeah,
their total transaction was 7.1 billion, and Nigeria they have 3 billion. That's just slightly half, less than half, but that's a lot for Nigeria and for an Africa country. You know, you see that there are a lot of potential to grow over there. And I believe there'll probably be some exchange, or maybe one fine day, CZ start to think that, oh yeah, we want to go to other areas of Africa to have some good business with. Yeah,
yeah.
yeah,
This also depends on the infrastructure because as I know that in uh, Africa is most of their industry is go to export some of their natural resource. That's why they also need some money in fiat and something to build up their infrastructure first, and after that they can develop the evolution of the blockchains and the other thing. Because of course they also don't want to be under the umbrella of the big country, like they may not want to use their own the US dollar, or they
I think most of them, they desire to be more independent when it comes to currency, because now talking about currency, fiat currency and all, we see the world at the shift. There's a shift of basically shifting away from using US dollar. You look at Saudi Arabia. I think sometime ago you talked about that, but recently there's some development. Saudi Arabia, they have an agreement with China in some oil trade. I think Mr. Richard mentioned something about petrodollar. Yeah. So all this while, the trading of oil with the Middle East countries are done. The deals are done in US dollar. So US dollar is also known as a petrodollar. Yeah. So petrodollar. Since now Saudi and China is having some agreement, because there are some issue with between America and Saudi. Saudi decided that these Americans are not very trustable, so they decided to thinking of using China yuan as a trading currency for oil. So you see, petrodollar is now getting lesser and lesser user, or lesser and lesser in demand. So you see, this move by Saudi is going to likely, this is what a lot of economists and geopoliticians, they have been looking at this situation, and they are expecting that people, or rather this situation between Saudi and China, we're going to have some ripple effect. There's a lot of chain effect going on that will go on. A lot of other countries will start to use another currency other than US dollar to trade their oil as well. And not just oil, even it may even spread to commodities like food products, other data products and things like that. So it may be even spread to this area where everything they are going to trade in, they will just circumvent and avoid US dollar, using using of US dollar as altogether. So all this factor comes in play, and these are the reason why America is trying to tax the crypto users.
That's right.
You not using my fiat, so I need to tax you.
That's the reason. And I also want to share to our audience about some. Also, of course, Japan must follow the other Western country, and they need to tie up the crypto exchange regulation to enforce the sanction. This article is coming on the coin this morning, the Telegraph, and the foreign exchange in Japan, they try to tax the crypto exchange that with some of the law like the bank, and to verify and flag the transaction associated with the sanctioned Russian individual or groups. However, the Parliament Amendment to law would make it a legal compulsion for the crypto exchange to block the transaction. For that, this thing is from the Japan, because Japan next to Russia, and Japan want to let the other country to see Japan have some action to deal with. Yeah, that's why he do this thing. Yeah, okay, and I think I need to go back with the Bitcoin break 47K.
Yes.
In the beginning of our live stream, I also shared to all of you about the crypto. And now the price, when you see the crypto hit, we all can see all of the coins go up with the green color. Yeah, it's very nice. And when I see on the trading view, let's go to the trading view. We can have a look on Bitcoin Tether. Let's start. We can see it hit the top at 48,000. You can see at 48,000. If I jump in, you can see that, yeah, 5,000, the big 48,000 199, and I will see the resistance zone and the support level to see. When we see this large candle, we also can expect the price may a little bit go correction, go down, because it's so large, so large with this one 4 hour. It may go down with the support level around 46,000 with this candle. We also can expect this may go down to 46,000. And let's go to let I can apply Bollinger Band. I apply the Fibonacci extension and adjustment. Yeah. With some indicator, we also can see the support level is when I see here the support level is 46,500, yeah, and the resistance level is 49,000. The next one is around 42,000. Yeah, that is some of the estimate with the crypto, with the Bitcoin price support level and resistance level. With the we may expect the price will go down a little bit to 46,000 plus. Yeah, soon. Yeah, let's see how. But we also can expect it may go to go above the resistance level when the price of crypto is uh, is hit above 48,000 in this morning. Yeah, in this article it say 48,000, and let's see in this article also can say the resistance could be near 47,500 zone. Yeah, for 47,200. It's around that. Yeah, and at this current price, go around this. And we also can have a look at support zone 46,000. Yeah, and with the hour here, we also can see the major resistance level is 47,200, 47,500, and 50,000. Yeah, major resistance level is around at this price. It may go to the sideways from now to the end of this weekend, and next a few days it will go to the next month. Next month is April. Is uh, the the price maybe go up. Major support level is 46,000, followed by 45,000. Yeah, yeah. And I also think it's time for us to say goodbye in this live stream. Yeah, and I hope you can have a nice week ahead. Yeah, if you have any question, please let us know and let us comment. And you also can comment what is your target, your price in the next few days. Yeah, to see to discuss with us. Now I share the word to Mr. Nicholas.
Right. Thank you all for joining us. Yeah, hope our information actually helps you gain some knowledge of what's happening in the world regarding to how government deals with the taxing problem, cryptos and all this. Yeah, but also at the same time, we hope that you, if you are investing in crypto, which I believe you are, otherwise you won't be listening to us here. Yeah, so do your own due diligence, especially on the new coins that you have never invested in before, never bought before, but you please do proper due diligence. So sometimes we may cover information of certain tokens and coins and information of some cryptos, but these are just how to say, these are just studies and they are not advisors. So when you do your investment, please do your own due diligence and then make your own decisions. And then, of course, I hope that you all make some money out of it as well. Yeah, so BTC is 47 plus. Now it's 47,390,389. Yeah, and then ETH is now 336 something, 3364. Yeah, so okay, these are the price I see from Binance. Yeah, so hope you guys make some money this week. Yeah, have a good week ahead. See you all again soon. Bye bye.
Yes.